करुणाकरसूरीन्द्र गुरुवर्यपदाम्बुजां नवनीतनटोत्तंसां गुरुपङ्क्ति श्रियन्नुमः. Tirupavai, a treasure house of threes, Pasuram 2. This year we are looking at a concept of understanding three aspects from every Pasuram of Tirupavai. And this second Pasuram conveys three things that we need to avoid. This is of great relevance in today's situation when the world is in the grip of a pandemic. In the second Pasuram, Andal tells her friends about the do's and don'ts of the Margazhi Vratam. In this, she enlists three things that they need to avoid during the Vratam. First, she says, Neyyunnom palunnom. We shall not consume protein and fat-rich products like milk and ghee during the period of this Vratam. So stands the translation. The second thing is, Mayyitteludom malarittu naam mudiyum. We shall not deck up ourselves with coryllium or flowers all during the period of the Vratam. And thirdly, Seyyadana seyyom Teekuralai sendrodum. We shall not do things which were not shown by our ancestors. We shall follow only the path of our ancestors, and we shall unnecessarily not do any rumor mongering or gossiping. Now, these don'ts are some things that we need to really practice in life. Let us see how. The first thing that we need to avoid is overeating or unnecessary eating. We should consume food when we are hungry, when the body needs it. So essentially, we must eat to live and not live to eat. Secondly, we need to cut down on unnecessary expenditures and luxuries, especially in a situation like this when many in the world do not even get their daily necessities. This would comprehend to Mayyitteludom malarittu naam mudiyum. And finally, following the path of our elders is something that is coming back in vogue in the world today. Things like washing hands and feet thoroughly, not consuming food which has been tasted by others, and keeping social distancing were all norms of the past which were practiced by our ancestors under the name of Acharam. And these very practices of keeping hands sanitized, having social distancing, and avoiding direct touch or things touched by others are all the requirements of today. This helps keep the environment clean, safe, and disease-free. So thus, this Tirupavai Pasuram has taught us three things to avoid. The first thing is unnecessary eating. We must eat just to live. The second thing is unnecessary expenditures. We must cut down on luxuries. And thirdly, we must not try to do unnecessary things like rumor mongering or gossiping, and instead follow the path paved to us by our elders. We shall meet tomorrow with another set of three teachings from the Tirupavai. ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.